Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make a green onion subji, that is spring onion subji. For that I have chopped the greens separately and the onion separately, and we need 1 tablespoon of roasted gram flour, that is besan, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon dhania jeera powder, haldi powder, chili powder, and ginger garlic green chili paste 1 teaspoon, salt and jaggery. If you want, you can add a little bit of lime juice also in this while making the sabji. And oil. The kadai is hot. I am putting around 4 teaspoon of oil in this. Mustard seeds, when it splutters, add the cumin seeds, the ginger garlic paste, green chili paste goes in, the onion. Saute this for some time, around 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the gram flour in it. Since this is a roasted gram flour, you have to just saute this along with it. Add the haldi powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander seeds, cumin seeds powder, and saute this till the raw smell goes off. If you are adding unroasted gram flour, then after adding the ginger garlic green chili paste, you have to add the gram flour and roast it. After sauteing this for a minute, you have to add hot water in this. I've added a cup of water in this. I want the sabji little gravy, so 1 cup of water has gone in. Now the jaggery you add. If you are adding sugar, you can add this at a later stage, and the lime juice also. After finishing cooking the sabji, you can add the sugar and lime juice. Now let it come to a boil. This has come to a boil. Now we can add the greens in it. Mix well. If you like a crunchy taste, then you can cook it accordingly, or fully cooked one, it's your choice. I like little crunchy. Now see, the water is also evaporated. I'll be adding little more water in this because it's too thick for me. I'm serving this along with chapati. I need little gravy type, but you see the consistency and add accordingly according to your requirement. Spices according to your requirement you add. Now at this stage we will add the salt. Cook this for a minute or two and you are done. Finally I am adding half teaspoon of garam masala and half lemon juice in this. Mix it and your sabji is done. I'm serving this along with chapati. You can serve it with rice also. With plain rice, I love to eat this sabji. Gram flour according to your requirement you can add. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.